Good morning guys. Today I want to show you how my veggies is growing. All right, yeah guys, if you're new to the channel, you are very welcome, and do subscribe down below. If you are my return subscriber, thank you very much. Yeah, so I'll take you through, and please hit the notification bell and give a thumb up. Thank you. And that is a corn there. Yeah, see how the corn is growing. It's been 3 weeks now and it's growing so good. Okay, those are the sukuma wiki, as you can see guys. So sukuma wiki, yeah, and these are the cowpeas. Yeah, those are dodo. Look how beautiful it is, so green. Yeah. Corn. Sukuma wiki, if you can see there, that's the sukuma wiki guys. Yeah. Look how green the leaf is. It's so broad. Yeah, that is a sukuma wiki. I have a lot of dodo. Yeah. Yeah, it's becoming so good. And these are cherry tomatoes. Look guys. Yeah. Beautiful is that? One bunch is so big. Yeah. Yep. And as usual, that's the grapes. As you can see, those are grapes. This is another tomato. Yeah. It's flowering too. Guava. Yeah, there you go. There's a tomato. Yep. Have another tomato here too. Just another one. And also So I have a sugar cane. I want to show you. I planted sugar cane, and that is the sugar cane. So you can see, guys, that's the sugar cane. And I have a few there. Yeah, those are sugar cane. This one is a sugar cane. And more are coming here. This is sugar cane. Alright guys, thank you very much. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below, and if you're my return subscriber, thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Just bye.